My name's Stuart, this is my cooking hat, and today we're making Scottish tablet. You'll need 75 grams of butter, 250 millilitres of milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 900 grams of sugar. In a really big pan on a low heat, I'll first add the butter. That's milk, then add the butter. Stir until the butter dissolves. You want to keep things moving. Okay, with that butter pretty much melted, we're going to start adding in the sugar slowly. And you want to dissolve the sugar before you put more in. With the sugar incorporated, add in the can of condensed milk. The next step is to stir until the mixture reaches 120 degrees Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit. Then take it off the heat and keep stirring. As you reach 100 degrees Celsius, the entire mixture starts to bubble up and it'll double or triple in size. 120 Celsius, we are turning the heat off and continuing to stir.
But the music in that game, there's lots of music, like there's music for stuff that like, there's music on the TV that plays, or you get records that play like different styles of music in that game. But the watching around you, like just even on your little island is also really fantastic. They have different music every hour for every type of weather you could have too. It's really great stuff. It's amazingly comprehensive. Look, that's what you can do when you have like a AAA budget and you have like a studio like Nintendo that is going to throw a bunch of resources at something. Yeah, you can be that. In the game is great, and listening to this made me nostalgic for Animal Crossing, and I was like, do I read that thing?
Once you've poured the tablet out, give it a little bit of time to set just a little bit and then score it with a knife.